Welcome to Commodity Analysis. It's Tuesday, the 7th of May. Bank holiday is behind us and a full day on Wall Street, which opens in about half an hour. We are aiming for this area here, the 1630 area, I guess, dependent on our trajectory and how long we take to get there. It's a rising line, so obviously we can't be specific about. I'm hoping we're going to have a pop up today. And look at this price action. I was amazed this morning, I have to say. I thought we were going to see a retracement. We have Friday's high. We made a that is marginal retracement. Up, new high. And now what have we got? We've got a higher low and again another higher high. And let's just have a look at this this fork. Let me get rid of that because I've want you to show you that in a minute. This is, let's call it F, okay? And it's got the indicator on it, and it's drawn using this pivot, and this pivot. And here are F reaction line number 1. You can see that works a treat. Okay. Here, even the second one, F number 2. Down it goes. Small, find support on another line. This is a warning line from B1. And now we have this, which is the third reaction line in this fork. And remember, price isn't just moving in one fork, it's moving in a mirror. It's the Russian doll concept. And, you know, the higher up you go, the more important the forks are, and certainly in relation to their median lines and their reaction lines. So let's have a look. What have we actually got here? See the difference between drawing over it in this time frame? There it is. Now we're on top of it here. We've drawn over it in the 15-minute, dropped down to the 5. And it's underneath, and it has a reaction against that reaction in that location. And now we have I guess a touchback, and it looks strong. I'm looking for a pop up today. Now let's just play devil's advocate here. If I move to the most recent low, okay, you can see, let's bounce that up a bit. You can see price is always, as we keep going higher, we move this pivot. And this is what's, I guess, the basis of an F and L fork. And, you know, the reaction lines off these forks are, let's just refresh and see where that one is. There was a straightforward through and touch, isn't it? You can see. I guess you would say, well, there's nothing there to show me there's a reaction line, but there is. And we can go down to the 1 minute and play around. I'm not going to spend time on that today. What we're really interested in, what's going to happen this afternoon. We need to make a break up. We've already got a new all-time high here, 16. We've already got a. Excuse me. We've already got an all-time high, and now we're popping up again pre the open. Can we maintain this? Can we see price up to make another pivot up here in the high 20s? Are we going to go up in one leap? Or I guess that's, you know, this cannot happen in one day. This is going to take a couple of days, and I guess we may see a lower low in relation to this recent move since Friday. I guess we may see price come down here, but remember, every day the line that we're aiming for is ascending and getting higher. So we were looking at it on Friday, and it was around 1623, I think, 1620. Now it's moving up, and it's this blue one here. The black one, I also want to show you, it's on the website, is this beautiful fork. This beautiful fork that's actually drawn off the gap there. You can see that gap fork. I believe that is one of the most significant and important forks. You can see this cluster of reaction lines here, which basically are the warning lines, as Andrews would call them, from these three upper median line parallels from these three forks, as we talked about last week. We're through those, and they've provided support, and now we're on our way, I guess, up. You know, how long can this go on? How long can price keep pushing upwards? Momentum's with us. There you are. This is the magenta color objective. And I guess, you know, we're looking at 1626 there, 1627. You know, it could happen. It could be a big rally. There's a certain lack of news out this week, but we'll all be watching, and there will be another video, which I'm going to try and put together a second one after mid-afternoon US time. So join me then, and you're more than welcome. Any of you guys are more than welcome to take a free trial. Just go onto the website commodityanalysis.co.uk and just see how many trades. Remember, I think we're the only educator who actually publishes our P&L. Show me another. I'm talking about on a proper site. I'm not talking about a PDF file from Fairyland. Our stats are verified by myfxbook.com. But look, we're not going to talk about that. We want to see the opening, and we'll post another video for you later. Bye now.